Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, Dumpster Cam. I am coming back with the weekly update on Shaq's progress. And I actually just came in. I haven't really looked around too much yet. It's been, well, it hasn't been that long. It's only been like a day and a half since I've been here, but I think they've made some good progress. So let's get right into it. There's not much progress yet in this room, but we do have a lot of stuff. This is the beginnings of my kitchen cabinets. I don't have all of them in here yet. The rest of them are actually still in my dad's car because they just weren't able to be brought in quite yet, space-wise. So yes, they are white. I'm going to say unfortunately. I was not going to go with white. I actually wanted to go with black cabinets, believe it or not. But I think the white will be fine. You know, it's a little bit basic, but I think it'll look nice with the butcher block countertops and the floorings. I do not like shaker style cabinets. I just wanted a flat front cabinet, keep it nice and simple. So that's what I ended up getting, all from Menards. A little setup that we will see, but that's the beginnings of them. So not much of an update in here, actually at all yet, but we got lots of storage going on. I'm not sure if anything's happened in the bathroom. Let's check. No, I don't think so. Nope. No update here in the bathroom. But hopefully soon. I think he's going to start tiling the floorings in this area soon once it gets cleared out a little bit. All right, here's our biggest update is flooring. We have flooring in almost the whole house, I think. I haven't gone upstairs yet, but I believe in almost the whole house. And if you guys remember, I got this flooring for, what was it, like 19 cents a square foot or something like that. Something absolutely ridiculously cheap, and it looks great. It's looking awesome. They have a little bit of crown or a quarter round molding over there, but that's going to be changed out. I just got back from Lowe's and picked up a different color. Yeah. So I have all of the flooring filled in, I believe, and I actually have some extra. Just keep it nice and simple throughout. And that's it. I think that's the only update in this room. Obviously, some trim on the door has to go up and the light switch covers and the whole kitchen has to be put together, but nice flooring update. In through here as well, even in the little closet area. Look how nice and finished that looks. Looks like we have maybe a little patch that happened right there, but that'll get fixed. I actually think I might put like faux brick tile on this wall. I'm not sure yet because this is where my potbelly stove is gonna go, but very nice in through the closet area there. All through the living room, still, you know, being used as some storage. Same thing with the quarter round right here. These are the ones that I got for really cheap, like 60 cents per quarter round. They are gray, which I don't love, but I think he has those upstairs, and then this one's gonna be changed out for the white ones right here that I just bought that I had to pay like $8 for. Yes, okay, very nice, very nice. Going into the little bedroom plant room over here, we have flooring all through the closet. This, he does have all the gray quarter rounds in, which is fine. You know, I'll keep the gray because it's the plant room. We'll see. I mean, if I want to end up changing it out, I can. And I think he took the door off and put it somewhere. He's going to paint it. There it is. He was going to paint that door. So I think that's it for down here. I mean, if you remember all the beam and the nice ceiling and everything. That's that. And then, like I said, I haven't gone upstairs yet. I'm not sure if anything has been done up there, but we can check. Nothing on the stairs just yet. If you remember, like I said, we're planning on painting this because it's not level, so kind of like the flooring was, except this can't be level to fit the plank flooring on. So we're going to paint this, and then I think I might get a runner. We will see. I'll have to see what I decide. All right, heading on up. Yep. All right, so we got flooring up here. This is the lighter color. If you remember, I had to get 2 different colors just based on what was available. I originally wanted the lighter color downstairs and the darker color up here, but square footage wise, it just worked out this way. Still not too much of an update here in the upstairs bathroom, but we do have a little bit of insulation going in. I'm pretty sure I showed you this light last time. And I guess that's it. So mostly the update in the flooring, but I mean, that's a pretty big update. They've gotten most of it laid down and installed. You know, a few pieces to finish here and there, but that's pretty much it. So we're getting there. It's starting to feel like a home now. Like this living area, this feels like a house. Like I feel like I can almost start moving stuff in, you know what I mean? Obviously I won't quite yet until they're completely finished, but we are almost done. Very cool. I think that's the only update I have for you guys in the house today. Mainly just flooring, but you know, it's always fun just to look around. I have been doing a little tiny bit of dumpster diving here and there at Aldi mainly, and I have found some things, some pretty good things, just not quite enough yet to share a haul with you. But yes, that is the base of my channel, so I will be sharing that with you guys soon, and then go back to dumpster diving obviously when my life is a little less hectic. But I just wanted to share this little update with you. Pretty short video. I think he said he ordered the siding for my house as well. So there's that. Kitchen should be going in pretty soon. Those are the shower tiles, and then you remember maybe the floor tiles that I got for this area, which were also super cheap. These ones right here, they're a little dusty. But that's that. I might have to get a new toilet down here as well, just for new toilet's sake. But I think that's it. Here's some leftover flooring. I think that's the only update I got for you. I will show you the outside sometime in the daytime, but I was thinking, like, if I had an unlimited budget, I would line my entire yard with like evergreen trees and bushes just to kind of make it a private park setting. That would be so awesome, but obviously that would be very, very expensive. Trees are expensive. So for now, it's just a little dream. And this is it. So thank you guys for always sticking around, watching my videos. If I remember, I'll put another little silly clip of Beefy in here at the end. I am planning on bringing him with me here. They still quite haven't finished the plumbing from upstairs. They gotta hook that up. I'm planning on capturing him, getting him to the vet to get checked out and neutered, and then bring him here with me as well. I keep talking to him about it. He seems to agree, so we'll see. I have had a few people tour my current house, my mobile home, and I've had a few people that seem interested, so they have to get approved by the park, and then I will get back with them as well. And I think that's it. I think that's all I have to share with you. So flooring is the main update in here for this time. And hopefully when they come back tomorrow, they'll start something in here. And that's it. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Dumpster Cam, and I will be back soon with more dumpster diving and house updates and selling and renovation and all sorts of fun videos like that. So thank you guys. I appreciate all the support. And I've had quite a few people support me on the Buy Me a Coffee as well. So I will put that link again down below. And thank you guys so much for everyone who has. Again, no obligation or even wish, but if you choose, I'll read through the names once I have the chance to do that as well. So thank you guys, and have a great Easter if you celebrate. I will see you after Easter, but for now, enjoy. Bye.